Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your gallery storage location. This simple adjustment helps you free up precious internal space on your device, which is essential for smooth operation. Having more storage available can significantly improve your phone's overall performance, preventing slowdowns. It ensures your device continues to run quickly, allowing you to capture more memories without worry. To start, open the main Settings application on your phone, which typically looks like a small gear icon. From there, you will need to scroll down to find the Applications or Apps section. Tap on this option to view all installed programs on your device. Next, simply locate your default gallery application in the comprehensive list and tap to select it. Within the gallery application settings, find the Storage or Storage Location option. Tapping this will reveal your current storage setup and available alternatives. You might see internal storage and, if installed, SD card as choices. Carefully choose your preferred new location, for instance, an external SD card, to ensure all future media saves there. Once you have selected your new storage location, make sure to confirm this choice, often by tapping an Apply or OK button. Your gallery will now automatically save all new photos and videos to the location you chose, for example, your SD card. Remember to regularly review your device storage to keep everything running smoothly. This helps maintain excellent performance over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.